I invite you to stay with me for the entire video as I demonstrate how to do this salmon in coconut green sauce. I invite you to like this video, leave your comment, share my video with your friends, and encourage them to subscribe to my channel. Hi there everyone, this is you Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. I invite you to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll be walking in my mother's shoe by sharing her recipes with you. Before I start, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the whimsical family. Now, guys, as you can see, I have already cut. I have scaled, guys, and I'm now washing my salmon with some lemon juice and vinegar. Now, guys, after that, I rinse and pat it dry, guys. Next, family and friends, I make for you my seasoned rub. Now, in a small bowl, guys, I've added some olive oil. I've added some Italian herbs and spices, some McCormick seasoning, some paprika, guys, some black peppers, and some ginger and garlic powder, guys. I then use my brush and I rub this on, guys. And then, guys, I allow it to marinate. To a foil wrap air fryer tray, guys, I've added some non-stick spray, and then I will add to that my seasoned salmon, guys. I will do some with skin up and then the others, guys, with the flesh up. I then put this into my air fryer on 350 degrees on 10 minutes on each side, guys, and then I allow it to fry. Now, guys, look at this. This looks so good. Next, guys, I'm just turning it over just for you to see what it looks like. Put it back in the air fryer for an additional 10 minutes to fry the other side. Now, guys, let me thank you so much for staying with me. I invite you to like the video, guys, subscribe if you have not already done so, and leave your comment in the comment section. Now, guys, I move straight to make my green sauce, guys. I am using okra, I am using onion, I'm using some scallion, some ginger, guys, I'm using some green bell pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, guys, and then I'm going to blend this smoothly. Family and friend, one set of my salmon is all done, fried nice and crisp on the outside. So, guys, let's move back into the green sauce. I'm gonna add to this some olive oil, guys, and then I blend it, as I said, until it is smooth. This is what it looks like. It smells so aromatic, guys, and trust me, I can't wait until this is all done to dig in. Now, guys, in a Dutch pot, guys, I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I've added my green sauce to this, and I'm gonna stir this, guys, and allow it to fry up nicely and flavor right through. Next, I will add to that a cup of coconut milk, guys. I will cover this, guys, and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, guys, as you can see, it bubbling, looking good, and it is all done. Next, I pass this through the sieve, guys. I want my sauce to be nice and smooth, so I pass it through the sieve, and with my trusted wooden spoon, I ensure that I get every bit of the sauce from the residue, guys. Now, guys, I go back into my saucepan. I've added to that the fried salmon, guys, and I'm going to just add all my sauce over this, smother it all over, guys, and wait until it comes to a boil, and then I lower my flame for about 5 minutes, guys. Taste for salt and flavor. I add to that just a little pinch of salt for taste, guys, and this is what it looks like. Good. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I'll see you next week, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you next week.